Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We have a social media tutorial for you today. Today we're going to use the Photoshop Slice tool to create a Instagram grid. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this square-ish album cover for this CD and record store Instagram account, and we are going to slice it up in 9 tiles that we will be able to post on Instagram. When someone views your profile and they see the preview, they'll see the complete image. If you see on your Instagram account, it's 3 across, and we're going to do 3 down, and each tile is going to be 1080 by 1080 pixels. So that means we want 3,240 pixels across by 3,240 pixels tall, and that'll create 9 tiles. So I'm going to start with a new image. Control new. Over here in width, I'm going to put that number I just said, 3,240 by 3,240. This is our new workspace. I'm just going to capture, control all, copy our album cover, drop it in. It's already square-ish. I want to just make sure. Dropped it in. That looks good. Move that over just a hair. Okay. So I dropped our album cover into our new workspace. I'm going to go to View and New Guide Layout. And you can see I've done this before, so the numbers are already selected for columns and rows. 3 columns, 3 rows. If I change any of these numbers, 8 there, it changes everything dramatically. Of course, these aren't what we need for an Instagram post. So we're going to go back to 3. Make sure everything else is zeroed out. This width, height, especially the gutter. If you want to know what the gutter looks like, you can do that. You can see there's a little space there now. We don't want that, so remove that. We're going to hit OK. And now we have our grid. Over in our toolbox, down here, there's a slice tool. There's several options. If you hold down, we just want slice tool. It'll open this box up here. And we're going to create slices from guides. Just going to click that, and you can see there's little tiny blue numbers in there, 1 through 9, for our 9 tiles. And this is where it's going to cut each part of the image to create a new image, 1 through 9. You do that by choosing File, Export, Save for Web. Okay, it's zoomed in pretty tight. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to check everything. It's got some presets. I'm just going to use JPEG High. Everything else looks good. You can double check your image size over here to the numbers we'd already talked about. So it's 3,240 across, 3,240 tall. When I hit save, it's going to get a dialog box, and we're going to choose where we're going to save this thing. And I'm just going to call that Poco, images only, and hit save. Alright, let's go to our folder. Alright, so there you go. You got your 1 through 9, your album cover sliced up into a square, to 9 squares. And when you're posting, you want to go backwards. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to get the correct order. Ultimately, what we're trying to do on Instagram is to create a profile visit. So that'll be the only way someone can see the complete image, is when they click through and view your profile. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this one.